Hi everyone. Here's my attempt to make up for my faux pas earlier this week. I guess I was so excited about posting my final project that I neglected to thoroughly read the instructions for this week's discussion, and I did not do a Screencast-O-Matic. I was kind of wondering why everybody else was doing Screencast-O-Matics, and then thought maybe we'd all just gotten so used to it, it was the easier way to go. But nonetheless, I realized it a little while ago. So I have to chastise myself for thinking what I do sometimes about students and their ability to read instructions. I'm going to post this in response to Jan and Colleen's comments about how they wish that they could have some evidence that students had actually read things that they had put in their announcements, because they will often get emails or other questions about something that they had put into the announcement. And I actually have had the same thing. I have put things in a video announcement and then actually written them in writing in the announcement, and we'll get the same questions. So I started to wonder to myself how effective are the videos that I'm putting in if people aren't even listening to them. But I do think that the majority of students do listen to them. I think I said a couple weeks ago in one of the posts that I've gotten feedback from students via evaluations that say that the weekly videos are helpful, the review of objectives are helpful, and overview of any explicit directions that are needed for the week's assignments. So there is that evidence. So thank you for listening to this. And thanks you all also for all of the comments that have been made so far. I am really learning so much and trying to figure out how to take notes on all of this to use it in the future. Thanks.